Good afternoon, everybody. In the context of the proposed investment opportunity in Segle, offered to Faraday Partners, today we have the pleasure of interviewing Alfonso Fuertes, co-founder and CEO of Segle, a Faraday portfolio company since May 2019. On this occasion, we will interview Alfonso via Zoom, as he was unfortunately unable to come to Madrid. Good afternoon, Alfonso.
Hi, good afternoon, Jaime.
So first of all, for the benefit of those partners that do not know you, okay, please tell us a little bit about your academic and professional trajectory, background, and the main motivation that led you to launch Segle.
Okay, well, as a background, I'm an industrial engineer, and I have a master in business administration. And before being an entrepreneur, I developed my career 15 years, almost 20 years in strategic consulting and banking. So I worked for 15 years in Deutsche Bank, both in Spain and in Germany. And my partner, Monica, so she's a pharmacist. She worked in cosmetics and pharmaceutical industry. She owned a pharmacy for a few years. And then at one point in time, she wanted to create basically, I would not say a cosmetic company. She wanted to create some own cosmetics. And then it came to the point that she wanted to create the cosmetics. I wanted to create something from scratch and try to change my career from the big multinational to entrepreneurship. And actually, that was the point where we met together in year 17, and we decided to build a company.
What are the fundamental ways you add value to your clients, and what are the problems that you solve for them?
Okay, what we do basically, we create biotech cosmetics. So biotech cosmetics, basically the trend in cosmetics, in cosmetic industry, as in many industries, is biotechnology. So just let me give you one data. For example, in the last 10 years, 1/3 of the new medicines in the world, approved medicines, they come from biotech origin, including all the COVID vaccines. In cosmetics, is also happening somehow this trend, because biotech cosmetics, biotech ingredients are much more sustainable and are much more effective than the traditional ones, or maintaining, let's say, maintaining efficacy. The production of those ingredients is much more sustainable than the rest. Then basically what we offer is cosmetics, very, very, very effective cosmetics formulated with biotech ingredients. And I would say with the preference on the format of serums, because we like to formulate complex formulas, so multi-action formulas, mixing different ingredients that produce different effects on our skin. And the serum is very suitable for that.
What is your business model?
I would say we have a simple model. So in terms of product, we formulate the products, we create the products, and basically we outsource production. And in terms of distribution, we have three different distribution channels. The first one is a B2B in Spain. We sell our products through pharmacies in Spain. Pharmacy, I think, is the right channel in Spain, because the model of the pharmacy in Spain, they really advise. I would not say, we could say they prescribe, or they help, they support the consumers to choose the best cosmetics. And our cosmetics are complicated, or let's say sophisticated. So the pharmacy is a very good channel to be there. The second distribution channel is online. So we sell through our website, so a pure B2C model. And then the third one is international distribution. So we export, and what we do is we try to find always partners in the countries that want to be our exclusive distributor in that country. So basically it's pure distributor.
What have been the main milestones that you have achieved commercially or otherwise over the last 12 months?
Okay, in the pharmacy channel, I would say, well, we have grown more than 70% in this physical channel, which is really, I think it's really a lot being a physical channel. We have opened more pharmacies than ever. So it's not opening a pharmacy is not just selling one product, it's that they want to work your brand, they want to dedicate some space to your brand. And this year we acquired more than 100 pharmacies. And then in this channel, something very important, it's not quantitative, but it's very qualitative. For the first time, we are in the benchmarks or in the presentation of the, let's say, the key opinion leaders of the channel. So when they speak about dermocosmetics, Segle is there. Okay. And online, it's we have grown 110%, so more than double, which I think it's really a lot. I mean, we were really far beyond plan. We were expecting growth, but this really, I mean, we even had problems to manage stock. And internationally, we were able last year to enter Vietnam, Portugal, and to reach 2 agreements to distribute in Ecuador and Costa Rica. And once the products are registered, we will start selling them there. And then there is another strategic project, very, very important. I mean, we have an agreement with a multinational pharma company, well, with the Indian subsidiary of this multinational company, to develop a new brand in India with our products, basically with our formulation, but with they will be the ones that distributing through all their channels. That's, I would say, very, very, very a project with huge potential.
Hopefully you close it. Okay, speaking of the current investment opportunity, tell us a little bit about the opportunity that you're offering to our partners in Faraday and where the amount raised will be used for.
Basically, what we are going to do in, I would say, in the next 2 years is continue what we have proved effective in the last 18 years. So which basically for pharmacies is continue being present and even increase presence. Being present at pharmacies means attending events for dermocosmetics, regional events or national events. So being there, Segle is there, together with the rest of the brands. You need to think, I mean, you need to consider that we compete against L'Oreal, Filorga, so the huge cosmetic brands in worldwide. Then online, basically, well, I would say in pharmacies, we are also going to hire a couple of more commercial people. So we're going to increase the sales team. Online, basically, we are going to increase significantly the marketing investment in those channels that have proved to be more profitable, such as, for example, influencers, organic influencers. It works very good with our products. And then internationally, we want to be present in events. I mean, so far we have not been doing that. But if you want to find distributors abroad, you also need to be in the international events, international fairs, trade fairs. And starting in March, we are going to be there.
Excellent. And finally, Alfonso, to your understanding, what makes this opportunity particularly attractive to our partners?
I would say, first, this is a proven business model that it's running and it's accelerating. So, and then secondly, I would say more thinking strategically in the long term. I'm sure that all cosmetics sooner or later will go in the direction of biotechnology. And when everybody's shifting to biotechnology, we will already be there.
Okay, thank you, Alfonso, for your time and for participating in this interview and for the positive evolution of your business.
Okay, thank you very much, Jaime.